Alright guys, so in this video I want to tell you the best software to create funnels that I've tested so far. I've been online for over 5 years or so, and I've been using a ton of different tools for funnels. I want to tell you that ClickFunnels is by far the best tool, and I'm going to be going into details about what it does, why you actually want to choose ClickFunnels, and why you actually want to get ClickFunnels through my link so you're going to get all of these exclusive bonuses. But we will go into that a bit later. So pretty much ClickFunnels, the owner, Russell Brunson, just an insane marketer, has done amazing things. He has built one of the biggest software companies online, for internet marketing. Before ClickFunnels, I was all over the place. Honestly, I was just looking to create pages on my website. I didn't know if I had to create maybe like a really fancy website and send people to my website, or I didn't know if I had to create a custom-made sales page with code and hire someone who was really good with code and development. But then when I found about ClickFunnels, I pretty much saw that you could do all of that inside one single platform. Now, remember the part where I told you that in a funnel, you can actually collect leads and generate email addresses and phone numbers. I remember that I told you that those phone numbers and those email addresses are going to be stored in a software. Well, before I just had to actually import all the email addresses to a separate software, such as MailChimp or GetResponse. But with ClickFunnels, not only can you create the funnels that I showed you, it will also store all your emails and phone numbers and act as an autoresponder, as an email marketing software. So it's not only to create, funnels and pages and to sell things and process payments. It can also actually store your leads where you can actually email your leads and reach out to your leads through ClickFunnels. So it's an amazing tool. It's an all-in-one solution if for any marketer, right? Regardless if you're into real estate or e-commerce or affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels allows you to do all that. So as you can see, this is the simple page. There's a free trial. It literally takes less than 60 seconds to sign up. And what I want to do is I actually want to go inside and just show you around. And so let's go into the members login. Let's go and see. So in here, you're just gonna put your name, then you're gonna put your email, your password. Your email and your password. And when you are inside, you will see the dashboard. I'm gonna give you a more in-depth overview of how to actually use ClickFunnels and build your first funnel. I want you to actually have your first funnel up and going by watching this training. But as you can see, I just logged into the dashboard. So we're gonna go into different categories, more in depth, building the funnel, but I'm just gonna show you here the list of funnels that I have. And as you can see, I have some names over there of the different funnels. And as you can see, I have funnels for pretty much anything. I have funnels for digital products, I have funnels for courses, I have funnels for e-commerce, for pretty much absolutely anything that you can imagine. You can do it inside ClickFunnels. And as you can see, ClickFunnels has the part of funnels where you can create the pages and guide people through the different processes. But you can also see the contacts. If you go to this tab and go to the contacts, you can literally see all the different email addresses and people that have gone through your funnels and they have left their information to receive more information from you, right? So that's an amazing advantage that you can actually see the contacts right here. You don't have to go to another software or to another email marketing platform and go see the emails over there, because you can have everything over here. So as you can see, it's giving an error. I'm not sure why, it just glitched. But anyways, you can actually go and see all the contacts in that same part. Now, another advantage of ClickFunnels is that you can process payments through the platform. So before, without ClickFunnels and without these amazing softwares that now exist, you actually had to send people to a sales page, and then you had to connect the sales page to a payment gateway, and you had to send people from the sales page to the payment gateway so people actually could pay with their credit card, etc. And now with ClickFunnels, people can literally pay along the way. People can pay in the same page, right? So they can take out their credit card, they can take or pay with their PayPal account, and you will receive the money instantly to your Stripe account or to the whatever payment gateway you're using. People don't have to leave the funnel in order to go pay another place. People can actually pay in the funnel itself, which makes it amazing. You are collecting the leads, people are paying right there, they don't have to leave the funnel, and then you're collecting the money, and you can literally do just insane combinations of offers and ClickFunnels. You can first offer a free trial, and if people like the free trial, they're gonna be billed automatically, right? And then if they actually like that, they gonna be offered an upsell, telling them, hey, you know what? You like the free trial? Well, you like the first $12 offer. Well, we want to offer you a $47 offer now. We want to offer you a $100 offer now. And once people buy, you just get paid immediately to your payment gateway. So it's pretty much as simple as it gets. And I've been using it for years. I don't know how long I have this account, but I've been using it for years. Created so many funnels over here, had so many visits. But now I want to tell you what you actually get if you sign up to ClickFunnels through my affiliate link. So this is going to be an affiliate link. And pretty much by signing up to ClickFunnels with my affiliate link, you can sign up to the free trial, test it, and see if it's for you. And you can have it's a 14-day trial if I'm not mistaken. And pretty much what I'm gonna do for you, if you sign up through my affiliate link, I'm gonna kind of ethically bribe you so you actually can get a lot of value out of this. Not only get ClickFunnels, but actually for the same amount of money that you would spend on ClickFunnels, get thousands of dollars worth of value. So people that sign up through ClickFunnels through my affiliate link, which is this one, sebastiangomez.com/ClickFunnels, I'm actually gonna give you a list of done-for-you funnels that you can actually just plug into your ClickFunnels and start using them for your own campaigns. Now, something really cool that you can do inside ClickFunnels is, for example, if I have this funnel over here, I can actually export the funnel, send it to you, and then you can just import the funnel and plug it into your account. And then you can literally just change the images, you can change some text, but everything, all the structure stays the same. Now, I've had funnels where I have 70% conversion rates, 80% conversion rates, meaning that if I have 100 visitors on my opt-in page, like I showed you, out of those 100 people, 70 or 80 are gonna give me their email addresses, which is just insanely above industry standards. Most people aim for 40% conversion rates, 30% conversion rates. In some of my campaigns, I'm getting 70 or 80% conversion rates, which is just insane. I'm gonna be giving you a list of done-for-you funnels that you can literally just import into your account. It's gonna be in the exact same format that you need it, so that you can import into your account and you can start seeing results. Now, it's not only about copying the funnel, like you can do whatever you want with that, but it's just about seeing why my funnel works so well and why it's actually generating so much results for me. It's understanding the different steps. You'll be able to go through the different pages and say, like, you know what, this page is working because of this reason. He did it this way, so therefore, if I model it, it should work for me as well. As long as obviously you have a good offer, and I can guarantee that you will become a millionaire if I give you my funnel. But you have to just plug in your offer and test it out. Okay. Second thing I want to give you for you is an exclusive ClickFunnels training. So it's gonna be more advanced at this, more in depth. I'm still gonna show you how to launch your first funnel and everything, but I'm gonna give you a more in-depth training that's gonna show you how to get massive results with ClickFunnels, how I'm using it to automate processes, to have to send different types of emails to different people that took different actions. So it's gonna be more advanced, more in depth, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I used to run my business. And then I'm gonna give you real case studies of my best funnel, real case studies. Let's add real case studies of my best funnels. So not only am I gonna give you some done-for-you funnels, I'm gonna give you the numbers and how much I spent, how much I made. I'm gonna show you the ads, and I'm gonna give you all of this. You don't have to pay me anything. All you have to do is go through my affiliate link, sebastiangomez.com/ClickFunnels, sign up to ClickFunnels, go through your free trial, and I'm telling you, regardless of which business you're in, you need ClickFunnels. And I rarely promote things, but ClickFunnels is by far one of the most important tools that you need for any online business, regardless of the niche, regardless of your experience, regardless of what your plans are to generate sales. It's 100% necessary. So that's pretty much it for this one. Hope you understand what ClickFunnels is, how it can help you grow your business. Stay tuned for the next lessons. We'll be going through actually creating a funnel for you so you can launch your first funnel, how to create the pages, how to integrate everything, and you're gonna love it. That's pretty much it for this one. See you in the next lesson.